Hi, welcome to MASTERVANDSONS channel. I haven't seen you guys in a while, but we're back. This is MASTERVANDSONS channel. We're out. Today, we've been talked to by a company based in California. Let's see what it's about. Have you guys ever had the issue with your car lights? When I say car lights, are they not bright enough? And this doesn't only exist for the exterior part, but it's anything to do with fog lights, forward lights, interior lights, reverse lights, and brake lights. There's 5 functions and more, whether you're off-roading, whether it's just for streets, whether it's for everything. Today, we got a shipment by AUXITO Light. Let's open up these packages and check out what they are. Hi, so these are the lights. Inside these lights, these are going to be the exterior lights that go into an F-350, which will be a part of this video a little bit later. We'll show you how easy it is to install. Further reading about this product, let's see what we learned. This has a 50,000 hour life. It's made out of aviation aluminum. Operation temperatures anywhere from -40 Fahrenheit to plus 176 Fahrenheit. Color temperature 6,500 K. And the cool things about this is it's high brightness, easy to install, IP67 waterproof, 0.01 seconds for quick start, and fast heat dissipation. Let's see what it looks like when we take it out of the box. Inside these lights, we see the bright LED light right over here. And we also see the fan that's built into here. All that we have to do is plug the power cord into the car. Now let's get to doing that. All right, we are outside right now. We're about to be putting the AUXITO lamps into the car. Right now we're gonna be using the F-350 we spoke about earlier. So to start, we're gonna start taking off the top so that we can take out the lamps with my dad right here. We're gonna start taking out the lamps right over here and then be able to replace the main light so that we can actually show you how AUXITO and how powerful the lights are. All right, me and my dad are about to start shooting the video for the lights. We are outside right now. We're about to be taking off the lights of the F-350 off. We're going to show a quick, fast tutorial on how to do it in this video. If you'll do a longer tutorial video, you'll let me know. Otherwise, let's start with this video. And shout out to AUXITO LED lights for sending us those beautiful lights. How powerful they are. All right, let's begin. Alrighty, we finally removed the lights. Now we have it all right over here. So, what is there next to do? The next part is going to be of the light. Is going to be to actually screw off the light bulbs. I believe this is step 4 or step 5, but we actually have the light out now. So, upon the removal of the light, now we have a few key little parts. So, When it comes to the AUXITO lights, we know that this is the end, and we know that there's a rubber tip right here. So when it comes to finally removing the rest of this, you're going to want to screw to the left. All right, another hint that we found, that if you actually push these down and roll to the left, it will actually pop out easier. And then you'll have a red ring bottom here. You're just going to remove the whole light on both sides by just screwing to the left. It will be a little bit difficult, so feel free to use any tools, but you're going to want to hardly screw right. Next, to install, you're just going to enter this right into here and then screw to the right, and then we'll show you how to wire this up back to your car. Pod tried to install these. We found out that these locks actually have 3 different sizes. So the top 2 are smaller, the bottom one is bigger. So that's how you have to align it towards your light. So upon aligning, we see that the one now is at the bottom, and so you want to match it to be able to match the rest. And then you want to spit. With these AUXITO lights, they're still fixable, and you can still auto rotate them. It's just the outside is what's going to be the locking mechanism. So we will show you on the next one. So make sure that when you are doing everything, it is vertical and not flat or anything like that. All right. So using the 3-lock method, we will insert. All right, we're going to lock it using the outside clamps, and then we will fix the arrangement. All right, let's fix the arrangement now. All right, underneath there, we do have a vertically aligned. It's going to be that little line right there. And here we can show you a little bit better. It is fully aligned now and up and vertical. All right, now we're going to start on the second side. Alright, so everything is finally back. We're just putting in the last clip. Pretty much we're done with the whole integrating everything and putting it all installation and everything in with the new lights from AUXITO. In our future video, we are going to add lights. Alright everyone, thank you for watching our video at MASTERVANDSONS channel. We'll be posting more videos from now on. Please give us some ideas, like and subscribe. We're also going to be giving out a promo code for this. If anyone else needs lights that are this bright and powerful, it'll be also down here and also in our bio. If anyone else needs anything, let us know. We'll be more than happy to offer way more detailed videos. Just let us know. And then on that note, have a great one, y'all.